Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a small business in 2026 or just getting started, you know how overwhelming accounting can feel. Tracking expenses, sending invoices, managing inventory, staying on top of taxes, it adds up fast. Today, we're breaking down the best accounting software options for small businesses in 2026 based on real features, pricing, user feedback, and what actually works for growing companies. I'll compare the top contenders, and spoiler, Xero keeps coming out on top for most small businesses. Let's dive in. In 2026, small business accounting isn't just about basic bookkeeping anymore. With AI automation, real-time insights, and complex tax rules, you need software that integrates with your other tools, automates repetitive tasks, gives predictive cash flow forecasts, scales as you grow, and keeps your data secure. Pick the wrong one and you're stuck with extra fees, errors, or hours wasted. Pick the right one, it can save you thousands and give you game-changing insights. Real quick example, one marketing agency switched to Xero and cut bank reconciliation from 4 hours a week to just 35 minutes. Their accountant bills dropped nearly in half. Here are the main players we'll cover. Xero, the all-around champion. QuickBooks Online, great for US payroll. FreshBooks, perfect for freelancers and service pros. Wave, best free option. Sage, strong for manufacturing and complex inventory. Zoho Books, awesome if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. Prices and features vary by country, so always check your region's site. Xero is built for small businesses that want powerful features without the complexity. Pricing in 2026. Early, $25 per month. Growing, $55 per month. Established, $90 per month. All plans include unlimited users, huge win. Standout features, beautiful intuitive dashboard, AI-powered bank reconciliation that learns your habits, advanced inventory and project tracking, over 1,200 integrations, multi-currency support, conversational AI for instant financial answers, top-tier mobile app. Pros, clean interface, unlimited users, smart automation, scales perfectly, excellent support. Cons, no built-in US payroll, use Gusto integration, some advanced features need add-ons. Businesses love how it saves 8 to 12 hours a week and gives real insights. Perfect for e-commerce, retail, services, and international teams. QuickBooks Online is the established name, especially in the US. Pricing, Simple Start is $38 per month, 1 user. Essentials is $75 per month, 3 users. Plus is $115 per month. Advanced is $275 per month. Extra users cost more. Great for built-in US payroll, industry-specific templates, and strong reporting. Pros, comprehensive, tons of pro advisors, excellent inventory. Cons, per user fees add up fast, dated interface, steeper learning curve. Solid choice if you need US payroll built in, but it gets expensive quick. FreshBooks is best for freelancers and service-based businesses. Pricing starts at $21 per month up to custom plans. Strengths, beautiful invoicing, time tracking, client portals, payment reminders. Pros, super easy to use, fast payments. Cons, no real inventory, limited reporting, and client caps on lower plans. If you're a consultant or freelancer focused on billing hours, this is fantastic. Wave is completely free for core accounting. Pricing, free, fees for payments and payroll. Good for brand new businesses, solopreneurs under $50,000 revenue. Pros, no cost, unlimited transactions. Cons, basic features, limited reporting, and you'll outgrow it fast. Great starting point, but most businesses move on within a year or two. Quick hits on the others. Sage, excellent for manufacturing and complex inventory, starts cheap but the interface feels older. Zoho Books, free tier available, deep Zoho integrations, strong in India and Asia Pacific, great value if you're already using Zoho apps. Head-to-head, why Xero wins for most small businesses. User experience, Xero feels modern and intuitive. Automation, AI that actually gets smarter over time. Unlimited users, no surprise fees as your team grows. Mobile app, full functionality on the go. Integrations, 1,200 plus options beat everyone else. QuickBooks is powerful but costly with multiple users. FreshBooks is simpler but lacks depth. Wave is free but basic. When Xero might not be right, you absolutely need built-in US payroll, super specialized industry needs like complex manufacturing or legal trust accounting, or you're locked into QuickBooks or Microsoft ecosystems. Most businesses under $50 million revenue thrive on Xero. Final recommendation: if you're a growing small business wanting the best balance of power, ease, and value in 2026, go with Xero. It scales with you, saves time, and gives real insights. Start with their free trial. Which software are you using now? Planning to switch to Xero? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more small business tools and tips. See you in the next one.